Oh, it's recording. Hi, Logan. This is your best friend, Katie.
And your best friend, Amanda.
Probably not.
Mm-hmm.
But, oh my gosh, I keep looking at the screen, looking at my face because I'm conceited, you know. But, so Amanda's mad. Tell me why you're mad.
I don't remember.
You remember why you're mad? Okay, Amanda's mad because she wants to come over and hang out with us after school. But
Oh, yeah.
I told her no because
what the hell?
that's Logan, Nestor, and Katie time. And sometimes Rosie, and sometimes Evan, and sometimes Annie. Amanda does not fit into that. And I tried to tell her, but she doesn't listen, so you might need to tell
What
her.
about all those good times in Tech Ed, Logan?
Tech Ed has nothing
Tech
on
Ed,
me.
Tech Ed is the greatest class
Tech
ever.
Ed has nothing on me.
I guess I could promote you to a bodyguard as long as you get Kyle out of the way because he's so freaking
Like, why do you
annoying.
give her so much power? Like, she's stupid. Like, she's a stupid little 8th grader. Oh, well, sorry, so are you. I mean, you're not stupid. You're just an 8th grader. I mean,